What if I told you that with just your phone or laptop, you could use free AI tools to start earning money today? In this video, I'll show you 5 real AI side hustles you can start in 2025, even if you've never done this before.
Welcome to Hustle with AI, where we turn smart tools into real income. Subscribe now and join the smarter side of online hustle. Side hustle number 1, AI voiceovers using ElevenLabs. If you've ever wanted to be a voice artist but don't have the perfect voice or a fancy mic, now's your chance. With ElevenLabs, you can clone voices, adjust tone and pacing, and create natural-sounding audio, perfect for YouTube videos, audiobooks, or ads. Many clients on Fiverr or Voices.com are already hiring AI voice creators, not traditional voiceover artists. A single voiceover script for a 2-minute video can pay anywhere from $25 to $100, and once you get repeat clients, it becomes a passive workflow. Just upload your text, generate the audio, and deliver. It's that simple. With quality and speed on your side, AI voiceovers are a true smart hustle. Side hustle number 2, resume writing with ChatGPT. Thousands of job seekers in the US and UK pay between $50 and $200 for a professionally written resume. You don't need to be a certified resume expert. Just prompt ChatGPT with something like, create a resume for an entry-level software engineer, and it generates a full draft instantly. You can polish it up and offer it as a gig on Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Add a cover letter or LinkedIn profile optimization to increase value, also using ChatGPT. With 4 to 5 clients per week, you could easily earn $800 to $1,000 monthly. And the best part? You're helping people while building a simple, repeatable business. Side hustle number 3, YouTube script writing using ChatGPT. With thousands of new faceless YouTube channels launching every day, script writers are in demand. All you need is a niche, say horror, productivity, or finance, then ask ChatGPT to generate a 1,000-word video script on a trending topic. You can package 2 to 3 scripts per order and charge $25 to $75 per client. Look at Fiverr or Facebook groups where YouTubers hang out, there are buyers everywhere. This hustle is great because it's fully remote, scalable, and teaches you content strategy along the way. With just 1 hour a day, you could build a full-time income. Side hustle number 4, selling digital products on Etsy using AI and Canva. From planners and budget trackers to affirmation cards and ebooks, AI makes design work easy. Just use Canva templates or generate content ideas through ChatGPT, then upload your finished product to Etsy as a digital download. No shipping, no stock, buyers get instant access. A single product that sells for $7 can earn hundreds per month passively if it goes viral. Bonus tip, offer seasonal products like 2025 Goal Planner to ride trends. It's a low-risk, high-reward hustle that builds passive income while you sleep. Side hustle number 5, AI-powered blogging for long-term income. If you can post just one useful blog post per week using ChatGPT, you can build an asset that makes money for years. Start by choosing a niche, like budgeting, remote jobs, or AI tools, and use ChatGPT to create helpful, SEO-rich articles. Then publish them using WordPress or Blogger. Monetize with Google AdSense, or insert affiliate links for tools like Canva, Jasper, or even Amazon. The beauty? No camera, no speaking, no inventory. Just content that works in the background. Stick to it for a few months, and you could be earning $500 to $1,000 per month passively. That's it for today's video. Which side hustle are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an AI-powered money-making idea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.